Hey friends, welcome back to Freelance with Jay. Today, I want to show you something powerful, how to turn your skills into income. Yes, the skills you already have can open doors to financial freedom, flexibility, and independence. Stick with me to the end because I'll share not just the steps but also a sneak peek of our next video that will help you build lasting freelancing success. And if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button right now so you don't miss any of our freelancing secrets. Let's start here. Why freelancing? Because freelancing is more than just a side hustle, it's an opportunity to turn what you know into what you earn. Imagine working from your favorite cafe, traveling the world, or just having the freedom to choose your own schedule. And the best part? You get to be your own boss. No manager breathing down your neck, no office politics. Just you, your skills, and the clients who value them. Step 1. Identify your skills. This is where many people get stuck. You might think, but Jay, I don't have any special skills. Trust me, you do. Can you write, design, code, market a product? Those are skills people pay for. And don't forget soft skills like communication, problem solving, or even organizing tasks. Companies value those too. So, grab a sheet of paper or your notes app and make a list. Sometimes the money is hiding in things you already do every day. Step 2. Package your skills. Skills are good, but you need to make them attractive to clients. That means creating clear service offers. For example, don't just say, I'm a writer. Instead say, I help businesses write blog posts that attract traffic and sales. See the difference? Also, put together a portfolio. It doesn't have to be fancy. Even 2 or 3 samples that show what you can do is enough to start. Remember, you're not just selling skills, you're selling solutions to problems. Step 3. Find your clients. Clients won't magically show up at your door. You need to go where they are. Freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn are great starting points. But don't stop there. Learn to cold pitch. Send a friendly email to businesses telling them how you can solve their problems. And of course, use social media to showcase your skills. People are always watching, and the right person may just reach out after seeing your work. Step 4. Set your rates. This one scares many freelancers. Should I charge too low to get jobs? Or too high to look professional? Here's the truth. Start at a fair rate that reflects your skill, but be ready to grow with experience. Do some research, check what others in your field are charging. And most importantly, don't undersell yourself. If you don't value your work, clients won't either. Step 5. Deliver quality work. Freelancing is a results business. If you want repeat clients, you must deliver. That means meeting deadlines, communicating clearly, and sometimes going that little extra mile. Think of it this way, if you order food and the chef gives you more than you expected, you'll come back, right? That's exactly how clients think. Quality work keeps them coming back and gets them recommending you to others. Step 6. Build your brand. Freelancing isn't just about projects, it's about your reputation. Create a simple personal website or online portfolio. Ask your clients for reviews and testimonials. And above all, stay consistent. The more you show up as reliable and professional, the more clients will trust you. Your personal brand is like your digital handshake, make it strong. Step 7. Scale your income. Once you start getting clients, don't stop there. Create packages and upsells. For example, if you design logos, add social media banners as a package. You can also teach what you know by creating courses, ebooks, or tutorials. And diversify your platforms. Don't depend on just one, spread your skills across multiple channels and services. That way, your income grows while you sleep. Here's something I want you to always remember. Freelancing is about turning value into income. The more problems you solve, the more money you make. It's not about being the best in the world, it's about showing up, solving problems, and building relationships. When you focus on value, the income will follow. So, let's wrap this up. Your skills are valuable. Don't let them go to waste. Package them, share them, and start earning today. If this video gave you value, please like, share, and subscribe to Freelance with Jay. And stay tuned, because in our next video, we'll dive into something every freelancer dreams about. How to get long-term clients as a freelancer. You don't want to miss it. See you in the next one.